Nike coming with the lightning, man. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we have an early review. Actually, I have two coming. I don't know if this one's gonna come out first or the second one's gonna come out first. So I'm not gonna say the second one on this video in the sake that this one does come out second. But today we have the Jordan 4 Lightning, and this is a playoff for Jordan 4 that came out years ago in a reverse colorway of this. Shout out to Sneakers. The Sneakers app showed us the history of this sneaker. If you didn't, go into your sneaker app and check that out. How it really was from a motorcycle, and it's something about a yellow Jordan that I really like. Even though in his team playing days he never wore yellow, like they always just look so dope to me. The materials off the bat, the suede is so nice that it looks like it's leather. So we're gonna get an up close and personal with this 4K so you can see exactly what I'm saying. So you want to know if you want to go out and try to purchase this sneaker release date. Me personally, I'm kind of off the Jordan 4 train. I'm starting not to like how they really look with my sneakers. If you got eBay, check me out, C-Note718. I got a whole bunch of steals and deals over there. I'm talking Columbia 4s, Cement 4s, Oreo 4s. Man, I really used to love these ones, man. I'm just not feeling how 4s are feeling looking on my feet. I'm going to keep my Travis Scott joints because the colorway is just so outlandish and beautiful. And I got a couple of Union 4s I'm going to hold on to because I'm really trying to capture the Jordan 1 Unions. I know I'm the Jordan 1 guy and I don't own Unions. So I'm just keeping those, trying to see if those will go up, and then I'll just flip them out for some Jordan 1s. But today we talking about the Lightning 4s, and I done gave y'all a whole bunch of talking. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. Y'all know we love presentation over here at Sneaker Notes, man. And I love when Jordan changed the box. I don't even know how he get yellow and gray to mix. I've never seen that mix before, but you get a yellow and gray Jordan 4 flight box. Now that's one of my gripes on the sneaker, but we'll get into that a little later. You got your classic elephant specs or whatever people gonna call this at the bottom of the box, and also on the paper, giving us OG remembrance. Flip open the lid. And voila. Let's get into it. Boom. Here's your Jordan 4 Lightning. But let me look at the box real quick and see what's the real name for it.
A few moments later.
Toy yellow. I forgot the whole bike motorcycle thing, toy yellow. I get it now. So boom, you got an all yellow upper. As I told y'all, the suede doesn't come up, so it looks leather, just like the Cactus Jack joints I was telling y'all about earlier. For the record, I think the Cactus Jack suede is a little better because it goes from white to light blue to dark blue a little more. Here you're staying yellow no matter how you swipe it, as you can see. Got your black shoestring tips, your black mesh tongue, and your black tag on your tongue. So this makes the sneaker look more better when you add more colorways. I love the nubuck gray here. I know it looks black, guys, but it's gray. That's black, and that's gray. Very dope look, inside and out. Classic silhouette Jordan 4s down here. It's a gray material. Gray all the way on the shoestring until you get to that little yellow Jumpman. Now, if you watch the channel, you know one of my knocks on this sneaker is it doesn't have that Nike on the back. I hate a sneaker with the Jordan Man on the back, man. We gotta keep the Nike on the back. I know it's not an OG colorway, but Nike on the back just always looks much better to me. Yeah, they upped the price on us on these a little bit, and I think it's because the material is a lot better than original nubuck suede Jordan 4s. I'm not gonna lie, guys, the material is maybe not A1, but definitely A. I don't see nothing that like takes it out from the competition. The insoles, ironically, is white. You got your yellow shoestrings. I feel like they could have put a different color shoestring in here. Maybe just a black pair. I think the black pair would have went dope with these, man. Let me know if y'all lace swap. Tag me in your videos. I would like to see the lace swap. But yeah, it's just a quick review on the Jordan 4 Lightnings that's coming out this weekend. That's making it an early review. I like them. I just brought the yellow and black ones. Those would be my favorite. I'm a ones guy. But the two matchups that happened this year, the Jordan 4 blue joints with the Jordan 1 blue joints, and now the yellow and black pack. I like the ones better in both, but that's just me being biased. I'm a Jordan 1 guy. Like I told you, I'm kind of over Jordan 4s. But yeah, man, these are dope. If you could definitely get these in hand for retail, I'll say grab them. You'll love them. You won't be mad at the material. Now, you got to be a fan of yellow. That's the problem. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.